Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I really wanted to play around with a bubble mask. I feel like I've gotten a number of them in my Face Story sheet mask boxes. I do get the 7 luxe boxes, so I have a number of them here, and I wanted to share my experience because I've, believe it or not, never used a bubble sheet mask, and I hear that they are a lot of fun. So I wanted to kind of pick one with you guys, share a little bit about the ones that I have currently in my collection, and then kind of pick one. And then I'll show you what happens and share some thoughts. From what I gather, bubble sheet masks are perfect for oily skin types, those who suffer from acne as well. They tend to have a lot of purifying, kind of exfoliating properties. What better time than now, like the song says. I do have a few breakouts here along the chin and hairline, if you will, but otherwise this is what my skin has been looking like recently. I haven't toned, believe it or not, and you can still see how luminous and shiny the skin is without me even toning. I do want to attribute that mostly to my Murad Nutrient Charged Water and Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Booster. Before we get started with this video, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a new upload. Also, be sure to add me on all of my other social media platforms. I will link my handles down below for you. Let's get started. Typically before I sheet mask or before I do a facial mask, I love to tone the skin. I've used the Murad Hydrating Toner before. I've used the Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Toner before. And today I'm going to use the Calm Leaf Rose Moisture Pads. These contain propolis extract and rose flower extract, and I have been absolutely loving these. These are pre-soaked pads that pack on the moisture and don't weigh down the skin. That's what the packaging looks like inside, and this is the actual pad. Don't mind my nails, and sometimes I'll just stick it up here while I close it. And these are instantly calming and cooling to the skin, and then I will just kind of work that into the skin. Instantly the skin is hydrated and nourished. It smells really soft and pretty. And I am kind of self-tanning as I film too, so if I change colors, I mean, it could just be the lighting, or it could just be that I am self-tanning. So yeah, I love these pre-soaked pads. So now let's chat about each mask here. So I have one mask from April, one from June, and one from July. So you can kind of see that there's at least one bubble mask included in each of the boxes here. The first one I have is by No HJ. No HJ is one of the brands that I have used before, and I love their masks. They're I would say they're probably one of the most interesting masks to use, as they're quite innovative and kind of artsy when you apply them onto the skin. But this is the No HJ Deep Cleansing Bubble Mask. This contains Tulipa jasneriana flower extract. It contains anti-aging benefits that help lighten blemishes and dark spots while also leaving your skin smooth and rejuvenated. It also contains Camellia japonica flower extract. I'll throw my Spanish in there sometimes when I say ingredient names. An antioxidant that provides moisture and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. This also contains daisy flower extract, which provides astringent and anti-inflammatory properties to help minimize pores and soothe your skin. I don't really need a lot of anti-inflammatories. I could always use soothing, but I am most intrigued by the anti-aging properties. And then the next one is by Oseki. This is a dual bubble Talk mask. And this was curated by Face Story and Bustle, part of their collab here, which I thought was so cute. So this has sugarcane extract, which is an antiseptic and natural exfoliant that smooths and brightens your skin. And it also has one of my favorite acids, salicylic acid, which is an anti-inflammatory ingredient that provides exfoliation while also helping to kill the bacteria that creates acne. This has smoothing and brightening properties, but it also has salicylic acid, which I love for its exfoliating properties, so I may just use that one. And then we have this one from the July box. This is the Barisum Soda Bubble Mask, Aqua Fruit Mask. So this has grape extract, peach fruit extract, and Centella asiatica extract, which is one of my favorite ingredients. Grape extract is rich in vitamin E. This helps to retain moisture in your skin while also acting as an exfoliant to have healthier, smoother skin. And then it also has peach fruit extract, which is an antioxidant that eliminates free radicals. This is an ideal ingredient to prevent aging. So there we have our anti-ager. And Centella asiatica, this is high in antioxidants, and this helps to fight inflammation and provide anti-aging properties. Ooh, so which one should I use? I don't know if I should go in with my trusted No HJ, which has the anti-aging properties, antioxidants, pore minimizing, or this one with a super cool kind of hollow graphic packaging. This is a dual bubble effect, so I feel like this might be more interesting to see me use. I think I'm gonna go with the Oseki Dual Bubble Talk Mask. So with bubble masks, Face Story suggests that you make sure you evenly spread the essence onto the sheet mask. Make sure you're getting it on every crevice of your skin. You want to cleanse your face and place the sheet mask on your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. Your sheet mask should start bubbling almost immediately. Wash off the remaining bubbles from your face with lukewarm water. Okay, wonderful. This little guy retails for $6. The Oops Bubble Mask retails for $4, and the No HJ retails for $4 as well. So of course I'm gonna go with the more expensive one today. I've already cleansed my skin. I've cleansed with the Murad Refreshing Cleanser, and you just saw me tone with these pre-soaked pads. So I am going to rip right through this, follow the directions, and then we'll come back in with the reaction. Ooh. Alrighty, so that was oddly satisfying. Now I have a ton of water all over my hairline. I just kind of patted my skin dry and I want to let it air dry, but all of this water on the hairline is bothering me and I have bubbles in my hairline. So I will push those back. But look at how good the skin looks. I kind of just panicked a little bit and I thought I was going to have redness and inflammation along the cheeks. So I just kind of ran out after removing it. But holy cow, look at how good the skin looks. I'm gonna bring my mirror a little bit closer and I am impressed. I did feel a little bit of a tingle, kind of like a pinprickle here along the cheeks. And then before I washed it off, it did get a little bit warm for me, but I do tend to have that sensitivity along the cheek sometimes, even though I haven't had it in a little bit. So I kind of panicked with that, but otherwise the skin looks really, really good. I kind of want to push you closer, but I kind of don't. Look at how good the forehead looks, and I haven't even toned. I can definitely note a huge difference along the nose and my congested pores. And ooh, I am impressed. So impressed. I can definitely see how oily skin and acne prone skin can, you know, absolutely love a bubbly sheet mask. It is oddly satisfying and a little bit scary because you don't know what your skin's gonna look like underneath, especially after all of the bubbles. Like, it really, really bubbled up, which I thought that was fun. Perhaps if you are claustrophobic, I could see a problem with this, but you can see the bubbles here. I thought that was kind of cool, but I really, really liked this mask. And I would recommend. Hopefully I will not get any redness or irritation, and if I do, I will be sure to update you guys on the bottom bar. But so far I am digging the results. It's definitely deep cleaning, smoothing, and brightening for sure. I mean, I kind of maybe want to start trying sheet masks on my channel, since I do kind of do a mask with me session. Do give this video a like if you are fond or if you are digging the idea. I may have to give bubble sheet masks more credit because clearly they work. So I am going to do my skincare routine. This will also go on another video that I'm working on today. So I want to protect my skin from that. Plus we have windows, so I want to protect the skin from the rays of the sun. We are ready for the rest of the day. I think that if you want results like this, hopefully with a little bit less sensitivity here along the T-zone, you are more than welcome to try a few sheet masks of the bubbling kind. I think they're a lot of fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Hi everyone. Yeah, we're recording. New camera setup again.